Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make Shimla Mirch keema. So that's bell pepper and mince. Here we have all the ingredients. I'll do a full list just to show you. So first you're gonna pound the chilies and the garlic and the ginger. So that's the onion. Okay, we're now cutting the bell peppers into small pieces. That's the pepper. Cut it into small cubes. As so. The onions are lightly browned. Now we are going to add the ginger, garlic and the chili paste. Okay, we'll add the mince now. This is a beef mince, but you could use a mutton mince or chicken mince. The mince needs to be cooked first properly, then it will be followed by the spices, then the tomatoes, then the peppers. So that's your mince nearly done. Now we're adding the spices. Adding salt to taste. Okay, now the tomatoes. Now you put the lid on for the tomatoes to get cooked. That's some chili flakes. It's optional. Okay, that's coming out really good. Now we're going to add the peppers. Okay, we'll just put the lid on now for the peppers. So that's the Shimla Mirch keema made, and it come out really good. As you can see, all the peppers in there and the mince and the fresh coriander for the garnish. That's really good, mashallah. This is fresh basil. It smells really good, and it tastes good as well. No wonder it's been mentioned in the Quran. and in a hadith is mentioned as a plant of the heavens. Basil in Urdu it's known as tulsi. In Arabic is rehan.